Hello. So, where did we leave off? This is, I've never, I guess I've never really gone through my biology experience virtually, recording myself from lesson 1 to lesson whatever I end up on when I feel like I'm done. So, we're just going to jump in and get started, even though this is sort of the first time I've ever done this. So, as the great Mario would say, here we go. First, we have to do this. We have to define science. What is science? If you were to go to a random person on the street and say to that person, hey, what's science? That person would probably say something like, it's a subject that you study in school. Right? It's a subject. Or it's a way of, knowing things. It's a way of knowing things. Science? Sure. It's, science. But what is it? Science is the study of nature. Science is the study of nature. Well, okay. What's nature? Same question. Same person. Not the same question. This is a different question. The initial question was, what is science? Science is the study of nature. The next question is, what is nature? What is nature? Oh, I don't know. Outside? Right? I don't know. When I think of nature, I think of trees, grass, squirrels. The fish flopping in the lake. So let's say nature, a tree. A tree. But what is a tree? Right? Let's define tree. What is a tree? Is a tree alive? Yeah? So if we were to study this tree, we would have to, because it's alive, that would then mean we have to study biology. But if we are studying the tree and we see that it's alive, well, we also see that the tree is made of matter. It's matter, right? It's a thing. It exists. You can touch it. So the tree is matter, and we know that matter is made of atoms, so tree falls under chemistry. Chemistry. What else? Okay, well, trees have leaves. Trees have leaves. If they have leaves, they have roots. And the roots are in the ground, right? So that means that they're connected to its surroundings, its environment. That would be ecology. But the roots are also in the ground, so that would be geology. The plant does photosynthesis, and that requires light. So that is the sun. So that's astronomy. The sun. The sun. Does the tree just sit there? Stand still like a statue? No. The tree moves. It's a physical object that moves physically, moves physics. It moves from the wind. The wind is made from the sun. The sun makes the wind. So, but it does that by, heating the ground, heating the air. But the wind also moves the water, which also feeds on the wind, which feeds the wind. The moon also can affect wind patterns. Oceanography. All of these sciences I got to from the tree. Now, can one person, well, I don't know, maybe. But can somebody really get to a conceptual understanding of chemistry, biology, physics, geology, astronomy, ecology, oceanography in a lifetime? Maybe. Maybe. I don't know. Sure. But really, it's hard. Okay? Because there's so much, there's never-ending information. Science is the study of nature. But really though, science is the study of the universe. Science is the study of the universe. The universe is nature. Nature is the universe. They're synonyms. They're synonyms. It's a synonym for synonym. There's a synonym. Nature and the universe. So science is the study of the universe. Can anybody study the universe in a single lifetime? Can anybody study the universe in a single lifetime? No. And you can't develop conclusions about the entire universe in a single lifetime. So, because of that, what we did, people, is we took the universe and we broke it down into little pieces. Like little bricks that build a big structure that is science. We took it and made it into a regimented, sectioned off process so that we can build upon each other's knowledge generation after generation after generation after generation after generation. Science is the study of the universe. Okay? Now, what does that mean? That means when we decide to dive in to the universe, the nature of science is the study of the universe. When we decide to dive into science, we decide to begin to look closely at the things, energies, processes that surround us, so we can have a better understanding of ourselves. The macrocosm and the microcosm reflect each other. The macrocosm and the microcosm reflect each other. When you understand the microcosm, you understand the macrocosm. And if you can understand the microcosm, you can understand the microcosm. Goodbye, tree. Goodbye. We are going to look at the branch of science that studies life. Life science, biology, the same. The science of life is the study of life. Okay, so the next piece of what we are doing is going to be looking at the scientific method. And then following that, we're going to jump into biology and what it means to be considered a living thing. Stay strong. Stay true. You'll see me next time.